These are the parts. Some parts are own made parts. This is own made part for this carburetor. Parts related to reed valve, which I am carrying out and under the preparation for racing Lambretta. This is the RX100 fiber reed valve stage 2, and this is the silencer. But I am not using this silencer for racing purpose. I am using this silencer for the racing purpose. This is the expansion chamber. This is the manifold which I made. It is the own made manifold. This is having a good clearance from all the sides, and engine head cover fitting is in progress. I have to prove the system for the racing purpose. Then after I will go for the fitment. As of now, every clearance is very fine. The door can be inserted without any problem. The construction of this from the other side. This is from this side. This is under construction. I said the final coating is pending. These are the coils of Lambretta and Vespa, and those are the lighting coils, and these are all the packings oblique gaskets. Are all under research. All these are the reeds. The reed valve is of special design. Now I will show the consumption of fuel. For example, how fast it is consuming and how fast the engine is. This is under trial still. I am fitting another engine. This is the LTH manifold. This is also very good. But the problem is the RX100 reed valve won't go inside. It is not of this size. This is RD350 reed valve. We can install this reed valve in this also. I made and I designed such. Still there will be lot of clearances for the carburetor and for closing the door also. The carburetor is under special jetting. I will show the consumption of fuel. For example, see, this is the level. After starting, how fast the engine is consuming the fuel. Diameter has been increased a little bit more. Modification at the carburetor float also. Now closely watch the level of the fuel after starting the Lambretta. This is the engine which I am going to rebuild it. This is my favorite Lambretta cylinder bore. I call it as the Rocket Lambretta cylinder bore, is chosen by me. This is the old cylinder of APA, I think. It's APA 1. The ports are very good. The transferring ports are very good. For 12 times I took the trials to get the racing performance of 150cc Lambretta. After coming to a particular point, after finding the performance at a particular point with respect to the reed valves, now I am going to assemble this engine. It is of 57 mm standard bore. Some parts are own made. This is the cone which I am making. ఓకేనా వచ్చింది ఫ్లాట్ వచ్చింది. This is the Mikuni carburetor which I fitted. For this carburetor also there is enough space to tune the carburetor, to give choke, as well as to place the door. This is the door. I am placing it. The door is properly shutting. Now let us have a look from other side. This is the clearance. There is enough space. This is the gravity test. Normally I do like this for checking the oil seals. These are the oil seals. Now the fuel is present in the crankcase. This is called crankcase. Crankcase means the space below the crankshaft and the bottom. When we fully open these bearings and all, when we remove the crankshaft from this place, you will find some space inside. That is called crankcase. That is the bottom, dead center, and coming top. For example, I am saying there should not be any leaks. That indicates the crankcase sealing system is fantastic.